What we're talking about today is the customer experience on claims. And like I said in my first video, claims, this is the only time people actually use your product. And so I really want you to think about the spotlight being on you. It's your Super Bowl. It's your time to perform. It is your time to be here for those people. And so there's some things that we can do that really impress people. And if you've watched my other videos, you may have heard my husband has a whiteboard in the kitchen and it says, be impressive every day. And I love looking at that saying, hey, I've got to be the best version of myself today, even if I don't feel like it. But there's some things that we can do when someone picks up the phone. Are we greeting them with a smile and warmly? Are we finding them the right person to help them quickly? Are we asking if they're okay? Are we, listening to what they're saying? And ultimately, in the event of a claim, people love to tell their story. We have to balance this off with efficiency of getting it to carriers. But the ultimate thing is checking in on people. Follow up after the claim can leave an imprint on people. If they log the claim and we do put them to the carrier, which I do believe in for the simple reason that I don't want them to repeat themselves. But that doesn't mean I can't call them tomorrow or the next day and just check in with them. I think more than anything, people need a tour guide sometimes through claims, and independent agents sometimes fail to do this. The claim gets logged and then they're hands off. And I just think this isn't driving a customer experience that drives new business. There's also the idea that in many agencies, they don't document claims quite the way I would like to see them, but the management system should house all the claims information, claims downloads, all of the things so that we're prepared. But in all reality, the true benefit of an independent agent is in the moment of claims. It's not quoting the cheapest rate. And so if we put emphasis in a process and focus on claims, it's our way of setting ourselves apart from the competition. Now there's your run-of-the-mill everyday claims of car accidents, the kitchen fire, the roof that has a leak, and the workers' comp claim. And then there's your catastrophic claims such as hurricanes and tornadoes and fires. And these are when everybody's dealing with this. So in many instances, your agency needs both a day-to-day claims process, but then the catastrophic claims process. How are you going to show up for your community? Because I can tell you in many instances, we've had clients who face this: fires, tornadoes, wind, hurricanes. And the way that they showed up for their clients actually won them a lot of business, a lot of accolades, and excuse me, and oftentimes much love from the carriers. One of our agencies actually had Progressive in their parking lot doing claims when they took Hurricane Ida. So that is a huge benefit when you do good business and you're writing good business. Now, none of the other agents in town were none too happy about it, but gave them opportunity. And so having a strategic plan for how to deal with catastrophic claims is part of your customer experience. We hope that you've enjoyed this video and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Hey, everybody. So want to just let you know, we have our Ridiculously Amazing Insurance Agent podcast. And if you have not already gone and subscribed to it, you're missing out, because it's one of the only insurance podcasts out there that has no sponsors, 0 sponsors. And the reason that we do that is we believe that we want to be the podcast for agencies with the people problems, the growing agencies. If you've got 10 people out there, you know what I'm talking about. It gets harder with different personalities. And so we want to bring to you the best vendors. We want to bring to you also the best agency stories out there facing and doing the hard things for the agencies that are growing. And so if you're interested in a new insurance podcast that isn't too crazy, let us know. We actually do these 3-minute videos as podcasts. You might be listening to it right now. So go ahead, subscribe to the Ridiculously Amazing Insurance Agent podcast. You can go to our website under the podcast section. It's on the top left-hand corner. There's a drop down, click podcasts and subscribe. Go to Apple or iTunes and you can also subscribe there. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.